How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be my entry into a little appreciation build for somebody y'all all might know real well, and mail call. But before we get this video going, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Subscribing is free. Free. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. And with this channel right here, guys, you know, I'll never ask for anything. No Patreons, no fund me this, fund me that, whatever. Never, guys, never here. All right, guys, it's free. Everything's free. Just like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. All right, on this old rainy, stormy morning here in Arkansas, we're going to do a little appreciation build intro. And I think you all know who I'm talking about. Bam! This guy right here. Yes, sir. Old Tom Rambler69. I know that surely everybody in this community should be subscribed to him. But if you're not, if you've been living under a rock for a long time, get over to his channel. And Jeff's Model Car Garage, I will have his link. He is hosting it. And it will be in the description below. And anybody that I mention in this video will be in the description below, guys. Anybody. Well, you know, Tom, the guy, there's no words to express Tom in our community. Tom is a heck of a guy. Talk to him all the time. Man, he'll do anything to help you. He's always helping me with something. Man, I know it, and it's not just me, it's everybody in the community. I mean, this is a well-deserved appreciation build right here, let me tell you. And you know, old Tom, he's a hot rodder through and through, old school, whatever, you know. But it's not just hot rodding. The guy can build anything. Look at his GT, Ford GT, and his little what's that, JDM cars and stuff. Man, the guy can do anything. He's not pigeonholed, but he kind of is, but he kind of ain't. I mean, you know what I'm saying? He can build anything, the guy, and he can do it all. But his hot rod builds are just, I mean, the creme de la creme of hot rod builds, guys. Yeah, I mean, you know, my stuff's not worthy, let me tell you. But one hell of a guy. And man, I could just keep rambling around. I'm like old Gavin Booth here. My mare up in over across the pond. You know, we can ramble. If y'all want to hear this old fat, bald redneck from Arkansas, just keep rambling. I know y'all don't want to hear that, but you know, okay, let me just show you what I plan on doing. This is it, guys, right here. We are going to build the AMT Customizing Series 1949 Merc. And yes, I decided on this one right here. Is between that or the 49 Ford or 50 model Ford convertible in the same series. Because you know he is a true hot rodder, you know, and he loves the 29s and the 32 Fords and stuff. You know, a lot of people's going to build those. So we're going to do a 50s, 60s ish, whatever, lead sled out of this right here. And we're going to chop it. We are going to chop, but it's not going to be a hard top when I get done. I was looking at old Adam from Sodak Models, and he is doing a 49 or 50 is what he's going to be doing for Hayes Automotive Group build, and I think he's going to do a Carson top on it. And I'm going to send him a Carson top. But you know, I got several of those Carson tops, and I got to thinking, what if I do this bad boy with a Carson top? Yeah, I know the Carson top fits the the little 4950 Ford, the shoebox, a little smaller, but I think I can make it work. I got to looking at it. I'm gonna have to do a lot of right back in here. I'm gonna have to probably build it up, bring it back a little bit to make that, and move that Carson top up just a little bit. I'm gonna make it work, guys. Don't fret. I will make it work. It'll have the big white walls. It'll be on the ground, and of course it's gonna be ink of gold, Tom. Ink of gold, brother. Oh yeah. So that's the one that's gonna get built, guys. Thank Jeff for putting this on. You know, Jeff does a lot for our community too, and it was about time somebody hosted it. And thank you, Jeff. Thank you very much. He is well deserved of it. Okay, let me shut my gap, and then I got mail call. And if y'all don't know this guy, get over there and subscribe, like, share. This right here is Manny Scale Modeling Podcast and Video Podcast right here. He's on YouTube and everything. Get over there and check him out. Look at that awesome shop car. Look at those builds right there. I mean, this guy looks like he can build just about anything himself. And not only did he give me the shop card, he gave me these little license plates. I don't know if you're going to be able to see those or not. Is that not just too cool? I got some here in the mail the other day from Don's Garage, little license plates and stuff. Thank you, Manny. Thank you very much, brother. I hope you get my shop card. All right. And then I got a text the other day. My buddy from up there in Michigan, old Rob, he said, man, he says, I got this model. He says, man, I hate to throw it out, but it's just not my style. I'm not going to build it or whatever. It's a builder kit, you know. Says, you want it? And I said, yeah. So he gave me this. He gifted me the 59 Ford Galaxy. This is the Skips drive-in. It is the hard top convertible. And them things are a little tricky to get to working, but it'll take some work, but we can get it done. It's a builder kit. Hey, I don't care. It's all there. It's complete. It's even got the little figures that go with it. Let me see. I'm sorry, guys. You see my big head. You can see it's been started on. Easy to tear down and redo. And it's really not been too bad started. I mean, as far as the paint and stuff, it wasn't too bad. Here's some of it right here. So, it's got the figures in it, the man and the woman and everything. So, Rob, Time Machine Scale Models, thank you very much, brother. I do appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, I'll build it. I'd build just about anything. Might not be somebody else's cup of tea, but I'll build it. And then, my buddy just a little south of me, about 5 hours away, down there around Dallas, my brother from another mother, old Justin J. Hart Models, he sent me a package. He always sends me some surprise packages every once in a while. And as y'all seen on his last video, he did some 3D printing for the little build he's doing and everything and stuff. And he printed me up some Dodge. Let's see if you can see those right there. Valve covers for like a 440 or whatever, you know. And the little oil spout things and everything. And he painted these on his video. And these are the ones that are on his video. The link will be in the description below. Go check him out. He sent me those. He sent me a bag full of detail wire, all different colors. I mean, you got blue, red, green, black. Yeah. And looks like yellow. 3D printed me up some seats. An engine. That's a, I think he said modern Hellcat engine. I think that's what he said it was. Man, all kinds of neat stuff in here. Thank you, Justin. Thank you. Too much stuff to get it all out, but man, I'll tell you what, we got a hell of a community around here, guys. if you're if you're a model builder and you watch all our videos and stuff, and you think, man, it's probably hard to do a YouTube channel. It's not hard, guys. I do it from my Samsung S22, whatever the hell this thing is, phone. Not a problem. Before I got this phone, I did it with my other Samsung. No problem whatsoever, guys. It's not that hard to do. It really ain't. Thank you. Love you. I will try to remember to leave everybody that I mentioned in this video in the description below. Please go out, go check them out. Give them a like, share, and subscribe. Support everybody in our community. And Tom, we love you, brother. Well deserved. And you the man. All right. Go check them out, guys. Bye.